Hello and good afternoon, children. So today in this topic, we'll be going to continue about our chapter number 6, that is control statements in Python. That is actually related to basic Python programming. So children, I first of all I would like to welcome all of you. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how we can write a program, simple program in Python. Okay, so be ready because we need to start with our topic today, that is related to operators, and also we'll continue about control statements, and entire basic programming related to Python is covered under this topic. So children, this is your responsibility to have a quick review whatever I'm telling you. So quickly, we are moving to our topic. Let me tell you about this thing. So children, सबसे पहले coding. What is coding? So in Python we are doing coding. Okay. So this time we are doing coding in Python language. Okay, and Python is a language that gives us a platform where we can run in any device and in any compiler also. So it is required here, like any device can be worked. Like this time I'm using my tablet PC. I can work on my smartphone also, on my PC also, and as and when you are getting it, you can perform it. So in today's coding of Python language, we'll continue about operators. First, I will tell you operators. Then I will perform some simple programs also related to control statements. So children, I will tell you about control statements also. What are control statements? Okay, so we will continue about this also. In this topic, let us continue with our operator. Okay, so what are operators? So let me tell you about operator also. What are operators? So operators are actually the symbols, okay, with the help of which we can perform operations. And which type of operations? So these are actually symbols, and we can perform operations like addition, or maybe subtraction, or maybe multiplication, or maybe division, so many. And these are actually performed under category that is called arithmetic. So arithmetic operations are there. With the help of these arithmetic operators I have already written in front of you. But when we are talking about operators, these are symbols actually to perform arithmetic calculation as well as to perform logical as well as operations also. So we have another operators with us, that is called relational operators. These operators will be helpful when we are talking about any relation. So this time we are talking about relational operator. So what are relational operators? Relational operators are like, this is a symbol for greater than, this is a symbol for less than, again less than equal to, greater than equal to. These are few symbols here. These are actually called operators. Relational operators comes under category relational operator. Okay, इक्वालिटी ऑपरेटर के लिए हम लोग यूज करेंगे इक्वल टू को, एंड नॉट इक्वलिटी के लिए जो है हम यूज करेंगे नॉट इक्वल टू, शुड बी रिटन लाइक समथिंग लाइक दिस. ओके, so these are few operators I have written in front of you. Children, when we are moving ahead, let us continue. This is about your chapter number 6, control statements in Python, and we are actually performing something about your operators. Okay, so we'll be continuing about types of operator also. Okay, so after completing of this chapter, what you can do, you can actually easily understand the use of operators and their precedence also. It is also required. Then comes understand the type of control statements, and conditional statement should be covered under your this session. Okay, Python session. Okay, so we are moving ahead. So I am already done with some basic thing. Now I'm going to tell you something about operator. So we are going to write the operator on our Python prompt. So when we are writing on our Python software, we are using and writing it like something like this. If we are directly mentioning like 10 plus 20, so it will produce a output of 30. But how come we can print this output? We can write the output with the help of one statement that is actually called as print statement. So this is actually required here. We cannot write directly this statement, so we need to write this statement under print statement. Okay, so we need to write this into the print statement. Okay बच्चे, so हम लोग इसको print statement के अंदर ही लिखने वाले हैं. What is actually print statement? Print statement is something written like this. Here we need to write circle brackets also. This is actually print statement. Okay, so print statement example is print, and we should write something here. So 10 plus 20, if I written here, it will produce the output of 30. So children, please closely observe. I'm going to execute this for you in Python software. So quickly we are moving to Python software. So I'm switching my screen to my Python software. This is actually a screen where I can run students for you. So I'm just writing a simple statement, output statement I'm writing here, and I just want to welcome my grade 7 students. Here we can produce the output like this. We can see here, we can closely observe that I have written something here, and here is the statement, simple output statement I have written, and here we are getting output here. So hello students of grade 7. Exactly, if we see h is capital, h is capital here. If we see entire statement is coming out of from this statement. Children, we are continuously moving, and we are going to now understand about the topic related to your programming also. So what I have stated just now, if you want to like just print, so I'm just going to write few things related to print here. I'm writing on line number 6 now. You can closely observe. If we can simply write 10 plus 30, what will be the output? You can easily imagine this. So we are getting this much output. Okay bache, so in this way we can write a simple statement here with this operator, and you can easily find the output here 40. Okay, after writing this. So how come it is possible? This is possible with the help of operators only. You can find multiplication also, 10 star 2. If you can see, you can now see various outputs available on the right hand side. So this time we are getting output, little delayed is there, no worries. We just can conclude here that after writing this print statement, we'll be getting somewhere output here. Okay, so 10 plus 30 will be 40, and 10 into 2 will be getting 20 as output here. Okay bacha, now we are, if we are moving further, in your chapter, you can go with the programs. Various programs are available, and in first program even you can go with the simple programs also. And I'm going to tell you something about programs. Okay, so coming back to the topic, if we closely observe, if we are writing this topic for you, so I am here writing a program, simple program we are write. If we are trying to write, we need to first make a straight line here, and then we need to write something in front of us. Okay, so what I am trying to write, I am trying to write uh, program number 2. So let us continue with program number 2. Program number 2 is very important here, because here not only print statement, that is output statement, other than that, the importance of input is also there. So children, if I hope you are aware of direct simple programming, because in earlier videos I have given you this idea. So 10 is the value of a variable, and b is having 30 value. And if we try to find out the result in variable c, we can see the output like this. Okay, so what, how come the output will be here? We are getting 10, and this one 10, this one 10 of variable a, and this one is the value 30 of variable b. This will be getting in total, and it will be stored in variable c. So bache, when we are talking about this, 30 and 10 will become 40. So this will be the output. But what happen if we are taking input from the user? So same way, if we are taking input from user, as you can closely see, it is available on your page number 85 also. It is available. If you can see here, the program is given by taking input value a and b from the user. So we need to actually take input. So while taking input, we need to take care that we can simply take input from the user by after we need to convert it also. Okay, so int will be the final conversion, and input statement, inside input statement we can write enter a number. So I have written enter a number. Okay, bache? And in the same way, I have written here enter another number. So please observe, we are about to conclude the program now. If we are trying to find the output as addition, so we need to write addition of these two numbers. Okay, so if we are writing addition of these two numbers, so we can simply write equals to, and we can write here a plus b. So this is the same expression we are writing there. Okay, so in this way, the value will be stored in the variable c, but here the value will be directly printed, just followed by addition equals to. This is the simple message here. Okay, so just इसके बाद print हो जाएगा. And if we want to try the multiplication here, we can simply write multiplication also. So bache, when we are talking about multiplication, we need to write particular operator a star b. In this way we can produce the output. So what will be the output? First we'll be getting numbers. So we'll be getting a message here on the screen. And what exactly is on the screen? So screen will be like this. Here we'll be getting information which is exactly same like we have written on the top. In the first statement, enter a number. Also, if we have written 10, another information is enter another number. So in this way also we can get another number. If we have written 20, let us suppose, so it will produce output of addition from this line, as addition equals to 10 plus 20 becomes 30, and multiplication from this line, it will become 10 cross 20. Okay, so it will become 200. So this will be the final output we got from such kind of program. So children, I just want to demonstrate all the things together. Now this is the very simple program, and this is the program where we have taken input from user. So first information is enter a number. In this way we are getting the output. So first we are getting information here, enter a number, directly from the input statement. So after that we are just entering 10. So 10 will be stored in variable here in variable name that is called as a. After that, this statement will get execute, enter another number. So here if we are entering 20, this will be getting and recollected into variable number, variable b. And we are after completing these two statements, this will be the next statement. So addition a plus b should be printed on the output screen. So addition and 30, 30 is because a and b addition. Okay, so 10 and 20 becomes 30 in addition. After that we got multiplication. Here multiplication will be 200. How come? Because 10 multiplied by 20 becomes 200. In this way we got this. So this is a very simple program, and this is a program from the user. So that is why I've written here input from user. So when we are talking about input from user, this should be applied. So in the coming videos also, children will be continuing with lot many things. I hope you are enjoying these things. Thank you very much for watching us. Thank you and have a nice day.